Hello friends! In this video, I'll show you how to add a delete button directly to your Samsung screenshot toolbar using Nice Shot. Open the Galaxy Store, search Good Lock, and install it. I have already installed it. Open Good Lock. Inside Good Lock, find the Nice Shot module, sometimes shown as Nice Shot or Nice Shot, and install it. Open Nice Shot and toggle on the setting labeled Add Delete button or similar. That adds a trash icon to the screenshot toolbar whenever you cancer the screen. Now take a screenshot. You should see the toolbar with the delete or trash icon. Tap it and the screenshot disappears. No gallery needed. That's it. No more messy galleries. Like and subscribe for more Samsung tips.